baby, what's going on, man? It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Finna bring you another one as a video, man. As you can see, man, I'm up in Houston, Texas, man. Got my old school that y'all seeing for the first time. I'm at my parents' house. You see how they treat my baby, man. Got her all covered up with all this junk in here and stuff like that, but she still runs, man. But today I'm finna bring y'all the very first video of me washing my Ghost, man. Let me get that better angle. Of me washing my car, man. So I'm finna hand wash this thing for the first time, and I got an install for y'all, man. I can't wait to show y'all this, man. Stay tuned. I said that water just bead on my stuff. If your water just ain't flowing on off stuff like that, then you ain't got your car clean enough. The water just beads up on the whole car. Every time I wash the car, man, the Lord washes it for me. Terrible. It's terrible. It don't make no sense. That's why you don't wash cars in Texas. Alright, too, man. So the next thing this install I'm finna bring to y'all, man, finna switch the whole game up. Every Charger, Challenger should do this to their car right here, bro. So what I'm finna show y'all, man, is right here. What's what install we doing today? As y'all can see, we doing everything. Hey, everything on my channel is DIY. This is what we bringing to the channel right here. Shout out to my man GR Grind Ready, man. Send me out my product. So what we doing? We're doing the Charger tail light tinting kit. As you can see, man, so this is what it comes with right here. I guess we got nice little instructions right there. That's a little smoothing little kit right there for you. And so right here, this is the first one. This one goes on the driver tail light, the passenger one. I guess if they give you another one in case you mess up, man. Hey, if y'all need to get at it, man, here it is right here. That's the same thing. Yeah, look, you can scan this code right, focus right there. In case you need anything, man, make sure y'all get at them. Here's before. Product, you want to clean your back not back windows, but your back tail lights, whatever. So you want to clean them things though. You want to clean them off with rubbing alcohol, about 70-80%, I'll say. So you get on. I use a paper towel for mine, because once you use like a color cloth, you rub it on the lights, the ink or the towel gonna come off. So I use paper towel that was white. Rub it on there, make sure I got it real clean, and all I do, and I just peeled it off the product that they gave me, and I just stuck it on there. So you want to stick it on there kind of like 2 inches past the light on both sides, so it can be black on black on the left side, black on black on the right side. Make sure you cover up the whole thing. So pretty much that's what I did right here on the first tail light right here. As you can see how it came out, that jump looked real good. Even gave the light test right now. Well, I think I gave it a light test. Flashlight. There it is. You see how that joint look good, man. Let's see. I ain't no bubble in there. All you do is peel and stick. It's like a heat gun, or you can use your girl, or if you're a girl, use your hair dryer for it. So pretty much you want to do, you want to go around it real slow, about 2 or 3 times. All right, guys, pretty much the same thing I did to the right tail I'm doing to the left. When take some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel. You want to clean the light real down real good. Make sure you get all the corners, and then I just started wiping it down and applying the tint to it. Right now, you can see I got the heat gun, and I'm taking a little edger that they sent with it to get them edges down to it. So like usually I ran across the edges are kind of hard to do, I guess, because like once you get to the edge of it, it's hard for it to make that stick. But you apply that heat gun or a hair blower to it, you're gonna get that stick, right? And so pretty much after you apply everything down, you want to wipe it down real hard. So you want to rub it hard, like I'm doing right there. So like you want to rub it hard in them creases, and you also want to rub it hard on the light that I'm gonna do like right now. And so like you just want to make sure everything is flat and sewed out, so like when it rains or something like that, that water don't get underneath there at all. It's real, like the tint, it looks real good. I mean, it came out really good. I was very impressed with it. You know, it didn't cost too much, so I was kind of iffy on it. But after applying the product, and it was raining like hell coming from Houston to Dallas yesterday, which is Sunday, and it did pretty well, man. So now I'm gonna get ready to apply the I guess the inner light of the driver's side tail light. So you can see me do it right quick. Pretty much just getting like a pre-measure of how I want to do it. That's how it comes off. So pretty much just a wipe with that microfiber cloth as well. And it's real sticky icky. All right, so as you can see, grab it, place it how you want it right there. And when you pull it, you want to pull it all the way across real tight, so you make sure you don't get no air bubbles in it right there, man. It's real easy. I mean, like, say if you do mess up, whatever, it's easy. You can peel it right back off and re-stick it right back on there. Like now, you can't do this about like 5 or 6 times now. You know, like maybe like 2 or 3 at the max, cause you know you don't want to mess up the sticky icky that's on it. So make sure when you kind of doing it, man, make sure you taking your time. Nobody rushing you or whatever, man. And make sure you pulling it real tight across like I'm doing. So like you see how I'm going. You really can't see my hand, but I'm slowly going across the top part first. Then I'm doing the middle part, and then I'm doing that bottom part. And also, to be real professional with it, you want to line it up with the bigger tail light that you have on the outside of it. All right, Slick Game, man. I'm going to end this video right here, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. We going all up 2020. Get at me. Yeah.